baby, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, this is going to be a get ready with me to go to the doctor, and I'm going to be talking and answering some of y'all questions that y'all asked me like a long time ago on YOLO. It's, if you know what YOLO is, it's like a Snapchat thing that people who be on Snapchat, you know, I ask y'all to like ask me something and y'all ask me. I just got out the shower, so I'm finna just hop into my skin real quick and just talk about my life before I get like too into y'all questions. Oh, and I also have a wig to review today. I'm gonna do my face and then I'm gonna put my wig on. So yeah, because I don't know, I just feel like I need to do sit down videos and talk to you guys, because sometimes y'all be like, you do other kind of videos, but y'all be this would what really confused me. Y'all be like, can you do videos besides hair, like other topics? My channel is a hair channel, so when y'all ask me to do that, it's like what? Like what? That's like me saying, that's like you playing basketball and I'm asking you to come play football and play all the other sports too. Like what? I'll be looking dumbfounded like, are they serious? But I want my ring light to like look right, because I don't want I know my lighting is not the best right now, but that's because I have it sitting up on my dresser and my lighting is like whatever. It's like whatever. So yeah, I just put my little face stuff on. I'm gonna go on my chapstick, then we're gonna start getting into this wig, because I'm supposed to be picking up my medicine at 11 and it's already 11:30 or something like that. I don't remember what she said, but I know it was 11 something, and it is already 10:54 because somebody was in the bathroom taking a long time. So I was like, I gotta go, and you in the bathroom taking a long time. So yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and put my clothes on and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this wig. I gotta put my towel back on. God, the box is all the way up here. Okay, this wig is from SoGood Wigs, and basically it's a good wig, but hold on, let me get the wig first. Okay, y'all, did y'all see my, oh, I'm trying to make sure. Okay, y'all, this wig is from SoGood Wigs. I went here and cut the lace off of it and all that stuff so I can just put it on my head and all of that. So this wig, like I said, is from SoGood Wigs. The hair is so good. And it comes with lashes, and it comes with this. The lashes that it came with are right here, but I normally don't wear they lashes. I wear my own lashes that I buy from the hair store because I'm cheap. I'm just kidding, but I mostly like the hair store lashes better, you know, and all that. So yeah, I'm glad they come with. I'll be so happy to see the brown ones because it's my skin tone. I'll be like, what y'all doing sending me all these other colors on my skin tone? Like, what's up? So yeah, check them out. Everything you need to be in the link down below. But we're gonna get into this wig. Yeah, so I went ahead and started laying my wig because my mama came in here and we were talking about bills and stuff. Well, not bills, but my car is messed up, so I have to pay for it and all that stuff. Y'all, let me tell you what I did to the car, because I didn't even know I was messing up anything. So called I hit a pothole that knocked something out, and then I had did something else that knocked something out, and my air has been like messed up in my car for the longest. So they said they're gonna fix that too. So yeah, because like, if y'all, it's too hot to be outside with no air. Like, it's way too hot, like too hot. Like, is that even legal? Is that safe? You know what I'm saying? So oh, this is not, it's not even no glue up here. I'm gonna have to glue that back down. So yeah, that's what we was talking about. That's why my wig is already on my head. So I was like, it don't make no sense for me to wait and just waste time, because I still gotta leave at a certain time too. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and start putting this wig on. Right now I'm just trying to get the places that I thought I got that I didn't get. That's why it's not laying down. I don't know if I want to do a side part or not, but I was going to do a side part, you know, because I feel like side parts look cute on me now. Even though I used to hate side parts. So you can ask my best friend. So Eva did not ever wear side parts because I just thought they were so ugly on me. Now I look like George Washington or somebody. This is like the other wig, slick kind of, but this is water wave, so of course I would wet this all up and all that stuff, but I'm not gonna wet this up and do all that until I get my dang, I got all this glue up here, until my hair scarf, until I finish my clothes and all that. Actually no, I'm gonna do I should do my hair first, do my hair and then do my makeup or whatever I do to my face, and then yeah. But I'm gonna start on my face right now because yeah, I'm probably not making no sense. I'm gonna start on my face because I gotta let this dry. So I'm gonna just, you know, start on my eyebrows, lip gloss and stuff, eyelashes, and then I'll start on my hair. Then I'll put my clothes on. When I put my clothes on, I'll be done. So it really wouldn't be nothing else for me to do, you know. I might hot comb this. Yeah, I'm gonna hot comb this. I'm gonna turn my hot comb on. So my mom's coming to the doctor, and usually she don't come with me to the doctor because I'm grown, but she coming this time. So I'm just like, okay. Oh, here's my lip gloss. I was like, where's my lip gloss? Y'all, this is my favorite lip gloss. Not just this one, but all the brands that look like, all the flavors, they're my favorite. But I realize they leak so much, and I be putting so much on. I be like, dang, son. They just leaking. I'm probably just gonna do my makeup and all that stuff and just fast forward through it without talking and all that stuff, because I be seeing people YouTube videos where they just do their makeup and it's just fast forwarded and all that stuff. So I think I'm gonna just do that to my face, and when I finish my makeup and all that stuff, I'm gonna do my eyebrows on camera too for the first time. So when I finish all of that stuff, I'll be back into doing hair and stuff like that. So it's just gonna be me basically doing my eyebrows sped up. I gotta find a song that's not gonna copyright me though, because they love copyrighting me for nothing. I'm like, I put pull up with a stick on my it was one of my other videos, but I'm glad I put my videos on private first, then I post them, because it was like pull up with a stick and then it said copyright. What? Me? So yeah, I'm just gonna get into these eyebrows real quick. Getting my stuff. I be asking what I use for my eyebrows. I use LA Colors. They come together literally at the dollar store. Like, when I tell y'all everything I get from the dollar store, it's from the dollar store. So yeah, I'm fixing to go in with my eyebrows now. Nickelodeon. Okay, you guys, I just finished my eyebrows. I know y'all been telling me that y'all want an eyebrow tutorial, so I guess I'm gonna do one for you guys. I was really waiting until I got my eyebrows done, but I had did my eyebrows myself because Ling messed me up. So I was just like, bro, now what I'm gonna do? She wanted me to go out there looking crazy. I was trying to be nice because you know y'all ladies, y'all know how y'all have just one specific person supposed to do your eyebrows, but I was trying to be nice that day and I wasn't trying to wait because she was doing somebody's nails. So I was like, I'll just let you do it then since you're not busy. And I regret it, because, well, I regretted it then. I already told y'all this story kind of, but I didn't tell y'all, you know, like, why I let her do it. I think I told her, ooh, I was like, what's burning? But it's my hot comb. But I was just trying to be nice, and, like, she messed me up. I'm just gonna go in with some highlight. This literally all I wear, y'all. I don't be putting all that foundation on no more, because I realized it was messing up my skin. And I just don't like it. Even though, like, this ain't even all that bad. Like, I like how my eyebrow, I like the makeup look on the eyebrows, but I don't like the makeup look all across my face. You know what I'm saying? I just be trying to blend this in as good as possible. And I know y'all's probably seen, like, me going with 2 concealers. I know y'all probably like, why did she do that? I do that because the other one is too light, and I like the light look up under here. But, hold on, this is too bright. I like the light look up under there, but I want the dark look on the outside. So you know how some girls how to get their eyebrows done and then it be bright, like, all the way around their eyebrows? And I just be like, girl, I'm sorry if my chair's squeaking. I don't know why I do that. But I'm finna go in with my eyelashes now that I got, and these are my favorites. So I'm finna start putting my eyelashes on. I'm gonna try to do it on camera. If y'all haven't noticed, I'm trying to do a lot of stuff on camera now because I'm just like, I think I'm getting better at it, you know what I'm saying? Okay, you guys, I have my lashes on. I don't know why they wasn't trying to fix. Maybe it was because like, I had to do this for so many times. Like, maybe because I was filming and I just turned the camera off. I was like, I can't film with this. I can't do this with the camera on, because obviously the eyelashes know I'm filming them and they want to act up. So I was like, you know what, we can't do that. So since I'm done with this, I'm gonna probably put some more lip gloss on and start on my hair real quick. Highlight is on check, eyebrows are on check. Take this off so I can oh my goodness, I forgot I had too much glue up there. Look at this. What am I supposed to do now? I'm finna just put some powder on my root, on my part, and all that stuff. And I'm finna go through and hot comb it. But first, I'm gonna take my hair wax and start applying it. So when I do get ready to hot comb it, pieces won't be trying to sneak over in places that they're not supposed to be in, and all of that stuff. So yeah, some good hair. The next question is, what's the name of the song in my intro? I could have sworn I answered this like 1,000 times. Oh, I forgot these questions were kind of old. Ooh, that's hot. The song to my intro is by Megan Thee Stallion, and it's Running Up. Running Up. Running it up. Running something up. That's all I know. Running Up by Megan Thee Stallion. So yeah, that's the name of the song. And y'all, oh, y'all be killing me when y'all be commenting. Y'all be like, y'all think it's saying hi girl, hi girl. It's not saying hi girl, it's saying hi girl, hi girl. If you know it ain't the baddest in the world, lie. That's what it's saying. And y'all be thinking it's saying, I'll be so weak, because y'all be thinking it's saying hi girl, hi girl. or some people comment and y'all be like, who else don't know what even intro saying, but it's fine. I just be like, y'all know it ain't saying that. Okay, y'all. Sorry I keep having to stop the video because my parent keep coming back in my room, but we're talking about grown-up stuff, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, this is what the frontal's looking like so far. I love my middle part wigs, y'all. What I'm doing is hot combing it, you know, to make sure that it's flat and all that, laying down at the top and stuff. Okay, what's the next question? How are you? I am doing very fine, actually. I'm doing very good right now, so that's good. Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you? How are you guys doing today? So what I'm gonna do now is basically just go up in here and just brighten my lace up just a little bit, because I don't do the edges anymore. I like how it looks without the edges for some reason. So yeah, but I'm gonna go up around the edges and clean it up, because you know, glue gets a little messy. It gets really messy, actually. Not a little, a lot of, you know. And I'm gonna go in with my little, it's makeup probably already on this. I'm just gonna, like, you know, I just been in love with how these frontals been looking on me. Like, I'm just in love, y'all. You ever been in love before, but not with a person, with your hair? Like, that is me. I can't find real love in the real world. Okay, okay, y'all, I'm gonna put my clothes on. If I put my clothes on, I'll be back to exit out this video. So yeah. Okay, you guys, you have made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready me. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. But also, don't forget to go check out this hair in the link down below. I love it. Like, I really love this hair. So yeah. And also, if you're not following my socials, make sure you follow my social medias. That'll be up on the screen somewhere, because everybody else like my social media, so why don't you? And this is just a fit, just in case, because I be seeing comments, they'll be like, you never showed your outfit. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this outfit from Ripsona with my Vans. Yeah, something simple, something light. Yeah, and that's basically it. Oh yeah, did I tell you I had to get a new chair, because when I was doing the try on haul for this for the outfits, the chair broke when I stood in it, so I had to get a new chair. But anyways, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.